Greetings and salutations, my beautiful subscribers. My name is Jacob, and I'm back with another reaction video. Yeah, I figured that it's been a while, so I think it's time I look at another British show, but this time it doesn't look like it's stop motion or hand-drawn animated like Little Monsters or The Herbs. This time it looks like it's gonna have people in costumes. So, when I heard about this show called The Wombles, it was from a friend of mine named Theweepingwraith, and the moment I heard the name, I felt The Wombles sounds like some kind of creature that came out of Dr. Seuss. Now I'm curious about what The Wombles is, so I have the episode in front of me called Hiccups. I am ready to watch, so 3, 2, 1, play. Okay, who left a perfectly good TV here? Elizabeth Braceford. Bernard Cribbins.
Underground, overground,
oh, I was wrong. It is stop motion.
The Wombles of Wimbledon, common are we, making good use of the things that we find, things that the everyday folks.
Color spelled with a U. Not in my country.
This is the home of the Wombles, and there's lots of washing up to do.
Yeah, I wish Wellington had invented a washing up machine to do this for us.
Evan and Ma Otter would actually like to live here.
Machine, yeah? Well, no fear, Madame Cholet. The best machine in the world couldn't cook as well as you do.
Actual voice actors. That's actually pretty good. Definitely a step up from The Herbs.
Crumpets. Whoa, smashing. Yeah.
You gotta know what a crumpet is to understand cricket. Raphael, 1990.
Shall we, No, not yet, please. Buttercup crumpets must never be eaten while they are still so hot. If you eat them like that,
I'm pretty sure your mouth would be scalding hot. Okay, what is up with that French accent?
You will get terrible indigestion, le hiccups. So do not touch. Do not touch. Thank you.
Considering the size of their snouts, I wonder if the hiccups are as worse as Alf's hiccups.
Little tiny, smallest, bigger now. Yeah. Oh.
She just said not to eat them while they're hot.
When I am crumpets, great.
Oh, there, they've done all the dishes. How very clever. Oh no, what is this now? Oh, let me see. 10, and I'm at 12. I better get my hiccup medicine ready.
Oh, so you have a hiccup medicine. That's good.
The new shelf. Oh my word, Buttercup crumpets are delicious.
I bet they're delicious. Wait, Buttercup, do you mean you have to use the flour to make these?
Now, in my young day, we'd never have done a thing like that, never. Yes, well, I'll just get on with my measuring then, shall I? Oh, merci, I will just take Uncle Bulgaria his tea. Yes, 40. Yes, well, let's see now, just one wouldn't hurt, would it?
Don't.
Oh, yes, very nice. Very delicious. Yes, well, perhaps just one more little one. Just one little one. Oh, boy. Oh.
Do people even learn?
Yeah. I'll say bungo. Yeah. Got a pain.
So have I. I've got a feel.
Oh dear.
Oh no.
Someone help them. Get them to an ER.
What did I tell you? Oh, dear me. Oh, very well. Must have a little of my tonsure first here. Open wide. Good boy. Very good. Swallow.
Good boy.
Now you, Bungo. Yes. Give me your nose. Pass your nose over, please. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, imagine if that happened to Alf.
Poor little thing. Still, perhaps they will teach them not to eat hot Buttercup crumpets. Oh, it's you, Monsieur Tobermory. The shelf is finished, yes? Yeah, I'll just nail it up on the thing. Oh, you don't look very well, Monsieur Tobermory. No, I'm fine. Thank you.
You're not even hitting the nail.
You spoke, Monsieur Tobermory? I think you are repeating yourself, Tobermory.
Here goes that. That was definitely an interesting episode. For what this is pretty interesting. I liked it. I thought it was very charming. It was funny. And it actually gave me some good jokes. Just right out the bat. So, until next time,